just traded my CRF250 for a fucking race fucking bike, bro. I'll do a little walk around real quick, but holy fuck. Oh my god, bro. Dude, it's got fucking slicks on it. Holy fuck, hold on. Oh my god, bro. I still can't believe I'm riding a 600 right now, bro. It feels so good. No horn or nothing though. That's, I mean, it's the fairing. Hold on, I'll do a walk around. I'll show you what I mean real quick. Well, let me do a walk around real quick for you guys. Show you what this bike's all about, bro. Okay, guys. Holy fuck, guys, look at this. I just traded my fucking bike for a race bike. Like, it has no fucking headlights. Like, dude, it's fucking completely like, look at this. Full exhaust. Oh my god. Look at this. Bro, it's got fucking slicks. Look at this. Oh my god. You got the aftermarket rear sets and everything, like. No way. That's filthy. Damn, bro. No way. We got, dude, don't you fucking worry. We're doing it. Only got 6,000 miles. Do you know about bike? Do you know about fuck? Hold on. I haven't seen the this is the 06636 have 6,000 miles on it and run this fucking like good. But this bike's been like, oh, can't even take this to work. Holy fuck, oh, you hella filthy. Bro, this man really bought a fucking clapped CRF250L. Not bought, I traded a fucking clapped CRF250L. Alright boys, here's the bike. Just doing a little walk around with the phone and shit. But got some cool little plans for this bike coming. Gonna be converting it to street again. Gonna be in the headlights and shit. Turn signals, the brake light and stuff. And still gotta get the mount for the license plate. So I got the slicks. Gonna get tires for that. It runs pretty good. I mean, it's a strong bike, you know. It's got like the steering dampener and shit. Dude, this man really just fucking traded my clapped ass bike for a fucking zx6r, full race fairing and everything. So I mean, the motor sounds healthy, so that's all I care about. I mean, he says it hasn't been dropped or nothing, but like, I mean, pretty obvious. Everything else seems good. No oil leaks or nothing. Starts pretty good. Has a full exhaust. He says a SBK or something like that. He said he has zx10R wheels, but I don't know. They look like the zx6r wheels to me. This is about to be hella filled. This is about to be a dope ass build. This really just changed the whole channel up. Never owned a sport bike in the channel at all. Only owned like little dirt bikes. Then I owned a supermoto, but this is gonna be filthy, guys, so just stay tuned. Gonna be a lot of stuff coming from this bike. Gonna be converting it from a race bike to street bike, so yeah, boys, make sure to like this video. And yes, sir.